You want to be in the video? Oh yeah, you like that? Mmm. Oh yeah. Being pampered. I'm gonna bless the pack. Bless the packs for me. Gonna kiss them. Yeah. No, you're gonna lay right there, aren't you? Oh, my little chicken. My little chicken nugget. Yeah, my little chicken nugget. My little chicken nugget. What? Come here, my little chicken nugget. Here. You can stay in my lap. You don't want to stay in my lap. Yeah. What is this? What is this one? Oh my god, what is that? What is this? What in the hell? Yeah. Yo, what's up? My name is Nerdy, and that's like a good intro for, yeah, basically me. I have cats that I love and adore, and I call them chicken nuggets because, well, she looks like a chicken nugget. Anyways, my life is a mess, just like you just saw, where my screens aren't even freaking where they need to be. Anyways, trying something new, I guess, like somewhat new. With a little bit of, new setup kind of deal with opening cards. So I'm working out all the kinks. It's not 100%, but it is a step. It is a stepping stone. As if you don't know who I am, which many of you do not, because I barely know myself. I'm just a giant nerd who loves One Piece, and I like Pokemon, and I like Final Fantasy, and if you see behind me, I like League of Legends and Arcane. You can't see the drip, but there's Ichidori slash Sukuna. He's a little red painting above my head, right next to the Luffy. Say you want to live, with a little crying rub and saying I want to live. Then you got the Nami. Thank you. Brooke's head's cut off, and we of course got the gang in Alabaster. So yeah, like I said, I'm just a giant fucking nerd. So I'm here, and I don't know if this is going to entertain or if this is going to be an epic fail, but, we're trying new things. We're just out here coasting through life, trying to figure things out, and we have a hobby, and that hobby is playing video games and collecting cards. I'm going broke off of, well, both. I guess it's a good thing that I have a job that I hate to go to, but I do it anyways because, well, hobbies don't pay themselves. Anyways, I am sitting here, and maybe this didn't. Oh, yeah, it didn't. Yeah, I got the Firefly ring and the One Piece spinner. I like this thing. I like spinning it when I get anxious. Anyways, we got the Dawn sets. We got the Ace and the Sabo Sabo haunts me. It's so true and sad. And then we got the illustration box, volume 2. This is a kind of new look. I bought a camera stand, so maybe it'll be something. But let's jump right on in. Oh, who do we want to go with first? Okay, the cat was really like chasing the ace, so I feel like we should save the ace. Go for the Sabo. Let's rip it. Let's rip some packs open. I don't know really fully where I want this channel to go. I might just, want to just open some packs every once in a while. I might videotape more of me opening packs. I open so many packs. It is unreal and ungodly how many packs I open. So we got the nice little Sabo done. I don't believe I have Sabos. I know I have aces and Monkey D. Luffy's. But Sabo I don't think I have, which is going to go really great with all of the fucking Sabo cards that are haunting me. I'll show you in a moment what I'm talking about. So we're just going to put this bad boy right to the side, and now we got 2 legends and 500 years into the future. Which one do I want to go first? Let's go 2 legends. I feel like 2 legends has burnt me so much. I feel like it owes me now, so we need it needs to pay up for for everything. So we got Charlotte Cracker first. Nice little card. We got I'm not even gonna attempt it, because I'm gonna fuck it up. Sorry. I should watch my language. I apologize. Jinrumi. We got Chess, Sweet Pea, Charlotte Smoothie. We got We Would Never Sell a Comrade to an Enemy. We got Robson. I don't know why, but every time I see this name, I want to say Inuyasha. My camera stop. Hold on. Okay, we're back. Anyways, I want to say Inuyasha. Of course, this is a leader pack. Why would it be? We got that Tony Chopper leader. Into the S-Hawk. Into the category. Category kicks my ass. All day, every day in The Sims. I tried to play category once. Didn't go well either. Alright, we're going into the 500 years in the future. Please be good things. Blue jam? Come on now. I might have just butchered that. My bad. My bad. Oh, me hawk. Pickles? I'd like some pickles right now. Joseph Bartholomew. Are you kidding me right now? Foxy? We're going to claim the One Piece. Yeah, okay, buddy. Alright, so 2 leader pegs. Sabo really burned me right there. Sabo burned me. Oh, Sabo. Alright. Go for ace. Yeah, it's storming. Do you hear it? Got the lovely ace on. Looks so good. I love ace. We'll go 2 legends again. Well, we get a leader pack. The world may never know. Well, just kidding. We're about to find out. Biscuit Warrior. Mishy. Buckin. Burn Bazooka. Basil Hawking. Edward Weevil. It's time to die for. King Drew. The category. Into the Nami. I love this card. I don't know if I have a full set. I know I have 2, at least, in my Captain Kidd deck. So this will be good if I only have 2. Not bad. At least it gave me a card that I need. You could never have too many Namis. Keep out. Oh, Liu Sanji. Dragon Breath. Monkey D. Luffy. Oh, I love this little bird. Tempest Kick into a Boa Hancock. It's a good card. I like the way it looks. I like the art design and everything else. Ooh, feel like I need to clean already. There's one thing I haven't learned. It's that no matter how many packs I open, I still can't remember to put a trash bag right next to me. Oh. Just throw it on the ground for now. Alright, let's jump into the illustration box. Whee! Now I have filmed majority of all my card openings. I don't post them. This is the first time I'm posting. Guaranteed. But if you want to see any of the hits that I've ever pulled or see any of the videos, the old videos, I will post them. They're not that great, and I will even voice over them so that way you could hear my great thoughts, especially when I pulled the Gecko Moria SP. Not the card I hoped for. It's the card I'll take home. Alright. Let's go. We're diving right on in. Yanji. Got that Gecko Moria SR? Got that Gecko Moria SR? Oh man, I'm not Gecko Morio's hugest fan. His laugh drove me up the wall. Not gonna lie, I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. But his card art is just so nice. Like legit, so nice. Oh my god. Alright. I mean, not a bad hit. Not a bad hit. You also think that as many cards as I pull at this freaking desk, but you don't know that because I don't pull cards on or make videos or post videos of me pulling cards. But you think I would have easy access to some sleeves. Ooh, that is so nice. That's going right in the freaking binder right out there. And then while I'm putting it in the binder, I will show you the sabos. The grueling amount of sabos that keep haunting my dreams. Alright, let's get back into this. My cat is freaking me out. I keep thinking she's about to press the button on the computer and shut it off. She's really being a Moby Dick. Sweet pea. Burn bazooka. The Vel. You got anything? Hey, Tony Chopper. I love this card so much. I actually bought this recently. I bought 4 of them for $4 because, you know, they had them at price. And I was like, well, I need a set because I got a Tony Chopper deck. So, yeah. But this one will be nice to add to the binder. So that's good. Got a set and an extra. Don't know why I have all my sabos in there. I have a set plus some. Huh. Alright. Monkey D go. So, meteor struck of love. Oh, sucky boy. Oh. That. I wasn't into this Decker card. Decken. My bad. Decken. But. Oh, we have a hit. The illustration boxes be hidden. Oh, sheesh. That is such a nice card. Oh my god, the texture on this thing is like... It is fucking again, I need to really watch my language. It is divine. It is divine. I am so sorry. I have a very bad potty mouth. I'm gonna work on that. Really, I just really need to go get some sleeves. That's what needs to happen. I need to go get some sleeves. Oh my god, that sugar. Holy fudge sickles. Fudge sickles. This is so weird. Oh wait, we can put the Altor Gikimori. So I get them into the binder. Goodness. All right. Thank you for your service, Dickin. Aww. Boom. We got Dawn. I mean, at least we got the Dawn hit. And not just leaders like, you know, the other pack. I draw. Looks Drake. People's dreams don't ever end. Yes, sure. The bear. Got the Tony Chopolita. Page 1. The earth will not lose into the white beard Dawn. Which is good. I could always use more of these. I love this scene. I love it so much. Makes me want to cry. Woo! Alright, that's pretty good. That's not bad. I mean, we got 2 alt arts. 2 alt arts. Got the Gecko Moria alt art. We got the Sugar alt art. Damn. That is such a good card. It's so pretty. I love it. And of course, we got the Yamato, Black Maria, the Ace, and the Sabo Dom. Trying to clean up my mess. I'm so sorry. Okay. So, now I'm in the dilemma. Because this is like a YouTube video. And we're at 21 minutes. So I think... Wait, hold on. I know. I know what you really came for. You heard me say Sabo, and you were like, Sabo? What you mean, Sabo? You can't have that many Sabos, can you? Haunts my soul. Haunts me. Okay. But yeah. So, let's switch over. Where you could see me. Hi. You could, well, I mean, you could see me before, but you could see me better now, right? So should I post all of the videos that I've taken in the past prior to me like opening boxes? I think I have a few of me opening 10. I want to say 9, 8 PBR. I think that's it. So there's that. Like I could totally like put them in an editor and voiceover so that way, you know, you could hear my thought process going through it. I videoed it because I was like, man, if I ever hit something, I want to be able to like post it and be like, oh my god, which life gets busy and it's been busy. It has been busy here recently. So I haven't been able to post anything. But I could totally spring that content. Some of it is good. Some of it isn't so good. Some of it's some duds. But that's the luck. That's the RNG. And it's the thrill. But the big question is, the real big question, I'm going to move my chicken nugget because my chicken nugget is on my desk right now. So the big question is do I post another video? Maybe next week? New video? Or live stream this opening, which happens to be something I've never opened. But I bought 2 boxes, and they are the reprints. They aren't the originals because, God, I don't have that money not to buy one single box, right? But I had the money to buy 2 of the, the white bags. Do I open it and post it? I have no clue what's in this. Not really. I mean, I know there is a few cards that are in my deck that come from this. Like, Shirahoshi. I love her. She is in my Captain Kid. But I don't know fully what all's in this. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. And if you want me to post other content, like more content, I will gladly do so. I don't know if I'm really good at this. I mean, if you have any suggestions or tips or tricks, send them my way. I will read every single one of them. And I will try my best to, follow them. Now, my language is a little bit bad. I'm gonna have to work on that. I feel like I'm gonna have to work on that. Yeah. I feel like one of those awkward nerds at high school that's like, I don't know what to say next. Hi. Hi. I'm not socially good at this. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna peace out for now. If I decide to open the Romance Dawn and make a video out of it, I'm sure all this will change because I am all the time redoing stuff because I'm like, no, I want it this way. I want to move this stuff. I can't ever, make up my mind on what I want. Background wise, camera wise, everything. So, if you like this, like and, subscribe, comment. Hell, you don't even have to subscribe. Just like it, comment, say, hey, good video, good job, great job. Or, be like, hey, you know what you need to do? You need to try this. And I'll be like, oh yeah. Yeah, I might have to give that a try. Also, my cat is messing with stuff that she shouldn't. She's behind my monitor. I should go now. I don't know what she's doing. Anyways,